In other news, the opposition People's National Party is making a case for Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton to be sacked. Speaking at a press conference at the PNP headquarters in St. Andrew earlier today, opposition health spokesman Dr. Maurice Guy argued that the minister has mismanaged the health portfolio. TVJ's Vashon Brown has more.
It's not just about the dengue outbreak, but the opposition People's National Party says the health sector is in crisis and they want the man who's been leading the health ministry to resign. Opposition spokesman on health Dr. Maurice Guy argues that the deaths of children due to dengue, the overcrowding of health facilities and the long delays in getting beds in hospitals after being admitted show why Dr. Tufton is not fit for the job.
The performance of Minister Tufton clearly demonstrates that he's not up to the job. It's unfortunate that he's the Minister of Health and Wellness, and his continued occupancy of the ministry forebodes a worsening situation and for this country an increase in mortality. The Prime Minister should now act to remove him and give someone the opportunity to rescue Jamaica from this imminent disaster.
Some of these issues, like the overcrowding in health facilities and the long delays in getting beds in hospitals, have been a problem across administrations.
It's not that he had it yesterday. He has had it for 4 years now, and the government is operating in a climate where they have access to more spending. So the minister ought to have been able to foresee that this was what was happening.
As it relates to dengue specifically, Dr. Guy is maintaining that there are inconsistencies in the figures presented by the health minister on suspected and confirmed dengue-related deaths. He argues that the figure is much higher.
We have concerns over the numbers. As the minister reported on October 8, 2019, that, and I quote, for the period January 1, 2018 to September 30, 2019, there were 135 suspected and confirmed dengue-related deaths, 47 in 2018 and 88 in 2019. And he said then that 10 of these occurred in September. Yet in November, the said minister changed the numbers to reflect lower deaths.
One of the challenges with dealing with the dengue outbreak is the attack on vector control workers. Dr. Guy is suggesting a different approach.
PAHO recommended, and I mean good reason and good sense should indicate, that they recommended that part of the intervention in vector control is that you get community involved in it, people from the community. If you listen to where these attacks are coming from, you'll recognize that they're in mainly volatile areas. People are afraid of strangers coming to their community.
Vashon Brown, TVJ News.